How to choose replacement for items on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instacart and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on your cart at the top right. And here, click on Continue Shopping. Now you'll find all your products in the cart, and below the product you'll find Choose Replacement. Click on Choose Replacement. Then you'll find all these products. Select the product you want to choose as the replacement and the quantity, as you will find the plus button. After you do that, the replacement will be added, and after that you can press on go to checkout at the bottom and purchase everything you want. And this is how to choose replacement for items on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.